Hello, all my GMAT aspirants. Welcome back to the GMAT YouTube channel by PW. This is Amit Rora, your VRC expert. We are continuing with our Super 100 series, and the topic for today is the very awesome inferences. Let's get started. So, पिछली बार हमने किया था assumptions and उसका practice. Today we are going to be looking at the fun topic called inferences and of course उसका practice. My name is Amit Rora, sir. You can read all about me. People, let's get started. So, inference मतलब like a लॉजिकल डिडक्शन, ठीक है, और ऑल्सो इट कैन बी अ लॉजिकल आउटकम. दिस इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. चलिए, सो कीवर्ड्स पे ध्यान देंगे. सम एंड रिमूव ऑप्शंस दैट आर एक्सट्रीम, आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट, इररेलेवेंट, एलियन. चलिए, इसी के साथ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. प्लीज सॉल्व, प्लीज पॉज द वीडियो एंड सॉल्व इट, देन वील सॉल्व इट टुगेदर. चलिए पीपल, लेट्स डू इट टुगेदर. We are basically saying that a certain kind of a bone flute, ठीक है, that was excavated has a spacing which was used to play this on this scale, ठीक है, which was used in much of the western music. क्या बात है. So उसपे ना holes have been made as such that proves, ठीक है. So people, now what are we saying? Musicologists therefore hypothesize that this scale was developed and used thousands of years before it was adopted. So we need to, now people, again what is given into us is most strongly supports. So which of them 100% supports this? आ जाइए. Bone flutes were probably the only musical instrument made. Beta, we don't care about that. We don't care how many musical instruments they made. B, no musical instrument that is known to have used as a this is of an earlier date than the flute. We are saying thousands of years before. Why are we saying earlier or not earlier? Again, out of context. The flute was made from a cave bare bone, okay, and the campsite at which the flute fragment was excavated was in a cave that also contained cave bears. Arey beta, we want to prove Neanderthals, है ना, west, and it was thousands of years before. Why are we caring about cave bear log bhi the? Chalo. D, flutes are the simplest. Beta, be very careful of superlative degree. Red flag, yeah? Greatest, simplest wind instrument that can be constructed to allow playing a diatonic scale. We don't care. E, the cave bear leg bone used to make the Neanderthal flute, keywords are here, would have been long enough to make a flute capable of playing a complete diatonic scale. This is perfect. That means even though we have found the 4 holes, the complete thing also must have been sufficient. So beta, E is perfect. It supports the hypothesis. It helps shed light ke yeah, it came years ago, and people, it has all the keywords also. E is the right answer. I hope this is clear. चलिए people, अगला सवाल आपके स्क्रीन पे. प्लीज पॉज द वीडियो, सॉल्व इट, देन वी विल डू इट टुगेदर. चलिए people, आ जाइए, लेट्स डू इट टुगेदर. ठीक है, अनपॉज द वीडियो. We are basically saying that the commissioner has said, you know, false fire alarm calls are coming from fire alarm boxes, and now private telephones are there. You don't have to go to somewhere to make a call. ठीक है, so we'll stop them. We propose to removing because it will reduce the number of prank calls. हाँ, prank calls ये बहुत जरूरी है. ठीक है, without reporting a fire. So 100% what of them will say that yes, effect तो होगा. आ जाओ. The fire department traces all the calls made from private telephones and records where they came from. That is why prank calls घटेंगे, because you should know the source of the call. Is it a box or is it a private phone? So beta, A is brilliant. A is good enough for us. B, maintaining na cost Springfield approximately $5 million. Beta, so what? How is this going to help reduce prank calls? Yeah, so B is out of context. See, a telephone call can provide with more info about the nature and size. Beta, we are not bothering with this. We are just saying reporting a fire. D, responding to false alarms significantly reduces the capacity for responding to fires. So beta, वापस से we are not comparing the false alarm to true alarm. And E, on any given day, a significant percentage of public telephones are out of service. Bilkul out of context, so we don't care. It is not, in fact, it's contradictory. It's not supporting the plan. So करेक्ट आंसर इज आंसर ऑप्शन ए, बिकॉज 100% इससे प्लान इफेक्टिव होगा, दैट इज गारंटीड. ठीक है, चलिए पीपल यू आर डूइंग वेरी वेल. अगला सवाल, प्लीज पॉज द वीडियो, प्लीज सॉल्व इट एंड देन अनपॉज एंड सॉल्व वंस आई स्टार्ट. चलिए पीपल आ जाइए, लेट्स डू इट टुगेदर. कम. We are saying that the cost of radios in country Q is 10% less than producing radios in country Y. So Q less than Y. ठीक है. Now people, transportation fees and tariffs के बाद ना still cheaper to import radios from Q to Y. ठीक है, than to produce in Y. मतलब Y में everything is expensive. So help us do it with supports. Labor costs are 10%. Labor costs in country Q are 10% below. बेटा labor cost out of context है तो खत्म है. B, importing radios from Q to Y will eliminate 10% of the jobs. बेटा बिल्कुल out of context है, we don't care. Why is this important? The tariff, ठीक है, tariff is given on a radio imported from Q to Y is less than 10%, 100%. That is why beta, including tariffs, including transportation cost, it is still less than 10%. So ye to completely making sense, mathematically speaking. The fee for transporting of a country Q to country Y is more than 10. Beta ye contradictory hai. Then it will get expensive, huh? So this is wrong. And E, it takes 10% less time to manufacture a radio. Beta, we are not talking of time and labor cost. We are only talking of transportation fees and tariff. That is why correct answer is answer option C. I hope this is clear. Please refer to the answer explanation given above. ठीक है, चलिए people. Next question on your screen. Here we go. Let's do it. आ जाइए. Let's solve together. Fun है, थोड़ा biology based है. So we are saying experiment was done in which human subjects, they recognize a pattern within a matrix of abstract designs. Okay. Acha, then they select another design that completes that pattern. So people, there's pattern 1 and pattern 2. Okay. Results were surprising. The lowest expenditure of energy in neurons in the brain. Hai? But those people who use the least amount of neurons were those who performed most successfully. Okay, fair. That's the condition. So which of the following best accounts for this? The neurons of the brain react less when a subject is trying to recognize patterns than when the subject is doing other kinds. Beta, other kinds की बात हुई नहीं है. We are not comparing. Reject. Those who performed best in the experiment experience more satisfaction. Again, out of context, we don't care. What they experienced and felt, we are not looking at that. Reject. People who are better at abstract pattern recognition have more energy efficient neural connections. So beta ye dekho, ठीक है? Less expenditure of energy and more efficient is perfectly linked and aligned. This adds up completely. So C is the perfect answer. D, the energy expenditure of the subject's brains increases when a design that completes initially recognized pattern is determined. तो बेटा इससे ये prove नहीं हो रहा. It's not a bad answer, but we are not able to prove कि successfully. So D गलत है. E, the task of completing a given design is more capably performed by athletes. बिल्कुल reject. We are not discussing athletes and sports persons and ministers or whoever. Correct answer is answer option C. Please go through and confirm that you have understood. चलिए people, अगला सवाल आपके स्क्रीन पे. Please pause the video, solve it, then unpause and watch me solve it together with you. So बेटा specious argument मतलब negative word. चलिए people, let's solve it together. Here we go. So this basically the commissioner is saying that now more number of fish are caught. Array, matlab it's not endangered. There are so many of them. That's why they are being caught. But people, this is wrong. Because the rate at which rainforests are being cut down, that means lack of danger to that resource. The real cause of the increased fish catch is greater efficiency of technology. That means they are getting depleted faster and faster. कौन सा इसमें support करेगा? आ जाओ. The use of technology is the reason. This is too definitive. ठीक है? For increasing encroachment, we can't say. it is possible to determine how many fish in the sea other than by catching fish. Beta, we are not talking of the number. See, the proportion of marine fish that are caught is as high as the proportion of rainforest trees. We are not comparing fish to trees. D. Modern technologies waste resources by catching inedible fish. Beta, we are not talking of edibleness of the fish. E. Marine fish continue to be endangered. 100% is supporting, because the argument is unsound. Argument is not valid. It is because the rate at which trees are being cut down, there's a lot of problem that is happening. That means correct answer is answer option E is the only one that supports the argument and carries it logically forward. ठीक है people, I hope you understood and I hope this is clear. Nonetheless, answer explanation please पढ़ लेना. So that's about it. ठीक है, thank you so much. I had a lot of fun putting together this video. All the very best for your GMAT focus edition. This is Amit sir signing off.